Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be comparing Open WebUI or LibreChat to see if which one is the best AI chat interface in 2026. So let's first start with the overview of both platforms. So the Open WebUI and the LibreChat are leading self-hosted AI chat interfaces. So both allows you to run AI assistants privately without relying on the cloud services, giving you the full control over your data. So just a pro tip, self-hosting AI chat interfaces gives you privacy and cost savings over cloud APIs. Next is for the Open WebUI features. So the Open WebUI offers a sleek interface for interacting with local LLMs like Ollama. So it features chat history, modal switching, and a clean modern design focused on ease of use. Next is for the LibreChat features. So the LibreChat support multiple AI providers, including OpenAI, cloud, and local models. So it offers plugins, presets, and extensive customization options for power users. Next is for the performance and capabilities. So if we compare the response time, supported models, and advanced features, Open WebUI excels in simplicity, while the LibreChat offers more integrations and customization options. So just a pro tip, you can test both with your preferred AI models to see which performs better for your use case. Lastly is choosing the right interface. So you can pick Open WebUI for a streamlined local AI experience. You can also choose LibreChat if you need multi-provider support and advanced features. So both are actively maintained and free to use. So just a pro tip, you can join the Discord communities for both projects for support and updates. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!